The American Trucking Association estimates that the industry is short of at least 80,000 truck drivers. Starting early next year, truck drivers will have to meet new requirements in order to get a license. But industry people say the timing is off because of the current driver shortage. Kamini Amano reports.
The federal entry-level driver training, the first of its kind, aims for a uniform truck driver training and improve highway safety. This is the second attempt to implement the regulation that was passed in 2016. The pandemic is one of the reasons authorities held it back. Starting February 7, 2022, the new rules will come into effect.
The Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration regulations will require anyone who has never held a CDL to undergo entry-level driver training before they can move from a commercial learner's permit to a full CDL.
Kelly Crepu is Compliance and Safety Services Manager at True North Compliance Services. She has been a proponent of delaying the rules because of the driver shortage.
So at its core, it's a very good rule, and I 100% would stand behind it. However, in the time that we are already short so many truck drivers and our supply chain is in such a critical crisis right now, it's just poor timing.
Another major concern, she says, waiting for the registry of certified trainers.
The theory-based course used to only be, there wasn't a requirement, you just had to be knowledgeable in certain areas, and that was 4 areas. And now the knowledge-based or theory-based classroom is 31 courses, 31 specific areas. And then once you complete that, then you have to go and do the behind the wheel. The problem with this is these courses need to be taught by a certified trainer who's on the training registry with the FMCSA. So we have no idea who is on that registry or how many available trainers that we will have in the state of North Dakota.
Meanwhile, Brad Schaefer says they are working to make the registry public. He also explained anyone who has had a CDL for 2 years can register to be a trainer, that he believes will mitigate a shortage of trainers.
In a trucking company that has, obviously they're going to have people that have CDL drivers that have probably a lot of experience. One of those people probably is already going to be a trainer in some way or another. So all they have to do is register at the FMCSA website. Right now, you can register to become a trainer, but it's not open as far as to see who the trainers are.
Some stakeholders fear this driver shortage could worsen if the rules are implemented next year. For KX News in Minot, I'm Kamini Amano.
The new rules do not affect anyone who gets a license before February 7th.